jail, arrested or nothing. Bro, y'all not my parents.
Ma'am,
Y'all can't.
Are you going to listen?
Of course, yeah.
Please listen, okay? I don't know what your attitude problem.
A woman was allegedly driving 47 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone.
I asked for validation. She told you my mother was coming. Y'all didn't like the way I talked to y'all, so now it's tow truck.
And now you're going to face a resisting charge. All because of your attitude.
She looked like just another driver stopped for speeding, but as officers began checking her information, they uncovered multiple violations that completely changed the direction of the stop. Minutes later, her vehicle was ordered to be towed, and there was little she could do to stop it.
Hey Clea, what's going on with your license? You gotta get it fixed so you know it's suspended. Do you have somebody that can come pick you up?
Yeah.
Alright, can you give them a call and have them come here because you can't be driving?
On March 13th, 2024, officers in Eustis, Florida observed a vehicle traveling approximately 47 miles per hour in a 30 mile per hour zone. That speed alone justified the traffic stop. As officers approached the vehicle, they began what appeared to be a routine investigation. But within moments, the situation became far more complicated. Instead of producing the required documents, the driver was unable to provide several of the basic items every motorist is expected to carry.
You're just gonna walk home? Well, hold on, you're not. Kalia, you can't leave yet. I still gotta give you all your, your ticket and everything.
Yeah.
Alright? So just go ahead and hang out here and... $53 to $15. Do you have a unit tonight? $10-4. You can start them this way. She's already out of the vehicle and very emotional. She may take off.
How fast is she going?
She's going 47.
As officers checked the driver's information through their system, the answers started coming back. Not only was the driver's license suspended, the vehicle's registration had also expired. Without valid registration, without proof of insurance, and without a valid license, the encounter shifted from a simple speeding stop into multiple potential violations. While the driver processes what she's hearing, officers continue gathering information and determining the next legal steps. At this point, the outcome is becoming increasingly clear, but one decision still remains. What happens to the vehicle?
Well, my concern is that she's probably going to hop back in and drive away. So, hey, hi.
Are y'all okay? I'll get in my car. I don't know what's going on and why it's great people blame.
I'm Sergeant Brown. My officer called me here because I guess you were upset.
It's good. I'm getting a ticket.
Okay. Do you have somebody to pick you up in your car?
She's back there.
Okay. Is she going to drive the car too?
No.
Okay. Are you going to have somebody take the car? Okay. What's that? It's not too bad. It's growing on me. Okay.
Yo.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Hey, is somebody gonna help her like get the car and stuff like that?
It's my car. He asked me. It's my car too. Don't tell him nothing about my car.
I don't understand why she's being rude. Here's what happened.
I told you my car is gonna get taken care of.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you. Let's chill out with the attitude. Thank you. Then you can stay over there. Thank you. So, I guess so. What happened was my officer called me because I guess she was upset.
It's me. It's not so.
And
okay, you're not my mother. I'm not a child.
Can I talk?
Thank you.
You want to know if somebody's coming to get the car?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, somebody's gonna come get the car.
Okay.
Somebody's gonna come get the car.
Okay. That's all I wanted to know because I don't want it towed because that's more money
You're
for
not
her.
gonna tow it. It's good.
Oh, I understand the process.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna come get the car. We You'll live all around. We're going to
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate you, ma'am. That's all I needed to know. I don't know. I just got here like a minute ago, and I got everything.
I know the process. We're going to get the car.
Yeah, and the reason like I tried talking to her, she was being rude, so that's why.
I'll have my mom
She's
come
my
help
sister
me.
and I'm grown as
Okay, I appreciate it.
So can I take her? Can we go? Or
Not just yet. He's printing out the paperwork and stuff. So yeah.
can you come help me get Leah car from by the lake?
Yeah,
today?
what did you call
Just to let her know to come get it. That's it. Chill. Hey, is there anything else?
Yeah, we're here. What
No, that just I seen a person with a valid license, and then
She didn't let me know what happened. I rushed out the house without my purse.
get it? Like,
Can I go? You want me to go home and get it?
Yeah,
But
like,
I don't. Leah, can you chill?
No, because I'm grown as f. Don't
you
talk to him
doing
about
too
me. I'm
much.
grown as f.
Asking me about
He
my
asked you questions
ID.
about your car. That's
Leah.
when you answer the fuck.
Chill.
I'm going out of
Okay,
these
what do
people,
you? What is it, Leah?
So-
Like you doing a
I
lot.
don't give a
all I need is like once she gets her citation stuff like that, whoever's gonna drive the car, I just need someone with a valid
My
ID.
mom, she's not. She lives states. I mean,
Girl,
cities
just
over.
go get your
Leah,
ID.
he's asking me a question. He's not asking about that. What is
He's
wrong
saying
with
he
you?
needs a valid ID for
To the-
whoever's going to come get the car.
Exactly, and I'm telling him. So I'm telling him. What is it you want?
Just
what else?
just a valid driver. Yeah, I know. Not about you. I understand because you had to come.
So what do you want?
Just whoever's gonna come get the car.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna wait until they get here.
We're good.
Once she gets her citation,
Yeah, I'm gonna explain it.
I'm good. I know how to read.
Well, there's
Well, when you're done, explain.
What's up?
roll the window up. So
I have to sign it?
yes,
Okay, let's sign it.
okay. So
Well, I know how to sign. I know where to sign it. Show me where I signed it. I know
all
how
right.
to read it.
Well, I have to explain it to you.
Okay.
You have a court date.
Words.
Okay, you have a court date on the 2nd
Cool.
of April at 8 in the morning. If you don't sign up, if you don't show up, a warrant will be
I'll call him or tell him something.
okay. You need to sign on the X.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll be back to get that.
Okay.
You know what? We're just gonna tow the car.
Hey, you guys can get your car from the tow truck. It's coming. It's coming. No, it's on the side of the road.
Go get your license. And y'all literally know the. I don't give a. What's wrong with y'all?
Don't. Do not. Get back. Stop.
What are y'all talking?
Stop.
What the f is wrong with y'all?
After completing their investigation, officers reached their decision.
Stop. Get out of the road.
Get out of the road.
We're done.
We're done.
Oh my god! Yo, I'm not doing that.
Your attitude is off the chain.
What the? Yo, I have shit to lose. Are y'all crazy? What am I getting taken for?
Your attitude needs to calm down. Okay? You gonna calm down? You gonna calm down?
Yeah. Dude, like, what is y'all police got too much authority. That's crazy, dude. Like, I graduated in literally 4 weeks. Get my nursing license in literally 4 weeks. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, that's crazy. I got
You're
way too much.
15, he's 10-4.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Are you going to listen
Bro,
now?
yo, that's what?
We're gonna wait on that.
Bro,
Give me your
what?
phone. Give me your phone.
Yo, what? I never been to jail, arrested, or nothing. Bro, y'all know
Ma'am.
my parents, bro.
Ma'am.
Y'all can't. Y'all,
Are you going to listen?
Of course, yeah.
Please listen, okay? I don't know what your attitude problem is today, but
Nothing.
listen, just listen, okay? We were willing to work with you, okay? But you are just off the chain, okay? You need to calm down.
I'm good. I'm calm. I just told you I'm calm. I'm gonna
Okay.
cooperate.
What's the attitude?
Nothing.
Nobody was rude to you.
Nothing. I'm
Nobody
good. I just
nobody
said I'm
cursed
fine.
at you.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying to talk to you, but you're being very rude.
We're good. You're my friend. We're good.
So what is the problem?
Nothing.
Okay. So here's the deal. We're gonna tow your car
Why are you telling my part?
because it's on the side of the road. It's on private
Did
property.
she just tell you my mother was literally coming up here? Y'all asked for validation. She told you my mother was coming. Y'all didn't like the way I talked to y'all, so now it's whole truck.
And now you're gonna face a resisting charge, all because of your attitude.
How am I facing a resisting charge, and I'm literally.
It's called not listening.
This is crazy. I cannot believe this is happening because some police officers don't like how I'm talking. How do y'all think I'm gonna feel? How do y'all think people have other stuff going on in their life? Nothing. I don't have nothing against y'all. I don't know y'all. Y'all are pulling me over. I have other stuff going on in my life.
If you were being pulled over for speeding.
Because I'm speeding. Okay, that's
Yes.
I never got mad at him. I don't know why he called y'all. I was frustrated. He told me I never got out of my car until he told me I needed someone to come pick me up. So I said I'll start walking. He said, well, you need to wait because I have to give you your ticket and everything. So I just sat down there and I waited. My car is hot. My air doesn't work. I'm not understanding why he called y'all. I never resisted. When he told me I was getting a ticket, when he told me I was speeding, I never once said I'm not speeding. I understand if I'm speeding, I'm speeding. What can I do about that?
Okay, number two, he's trying to explain the citation.
Okay, go ahead. I understand. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's too late now.
Okay.
He was trying to explain it to you, and you're still being rude and not listening.
I'm listening.
And then we're telling you
y'all want me to be like a child and say yes, sir, yes, sir.
No.
I'm angry. I have other stuff going on in my life. I just came home from school. Okay, I get a ticket.
All right,
cool.
put your legs in, please.
What is wrong? What are you wanting me to say here? Yes, sir. Like, what are you wanting me to say? I just want my twin sister to come back so bad. Like, this is crazy.
The vehicle cannot legally remain on the road. They inform the driver that the car will be towed. Beyond any citations or court proceedings, there are towing fees, storage costs, and the inconvenience of recovering the vehicle later. It's a reminder that traffic laws aren't simply administrative rules. They're designed to ensure that every vehicle on public roads is operated legally and safely.